This is my 20th day after my hair transplant, and now I am using shampoo to wash my hair. This was the transplanted area. 50% of transplanted area was full, and another 50% is there, but I think next week or after 2 weeks, this will fall down, and new baby hair will grow after 1 month to 2 months, I think. So I'm doing a baby shampoo like this, putting like this into my hair, because last week I have dandruff here, too much dandruff, so I need to wash my head carefully. I need to wash my head. Only when applying shampoo, only very few, because the skin of this is so sensitive and not totally healed, so only very few shampoo.